guys, it's Michelle. I am so excited to finally share with you guys a project that I have been a part of for almost a year, I think. Stay tuned because I'm going to be giving you guys an exclusive way to get in on the action and also win a very cool prize. So last year at VidCon, I was approached by the lovely ladies over at Wheesearch. They explained to me that they're an up-and-coming beauty brand and that they really just wanted me to be a part of their vlogger team, so of course I said yes. The best way I can kind of describe Wheesearch is that it's all kind of about finding exactly what you're looking for, whether that be through different beauty vloggers, personalized product information, responsible shopping, and just kind of like a very inclusive community that celebrates diversity through beauty. Wheesearch believes that it can not only help you find the products that you're looking for, but kind of help to stop the unwanted makeup purchases that end up in landfills all across the world and really just harm our environment. I can really speak to that. Like, I have so many things in my makeup drawers that I bought, didn't end up liking, didn't end up returning it, didn't even use it, just sat in my makeup drawer forever until I did a clear out, and then it just ends up in the garbage, completely unused and a waste of my money. With Wheesearch, you're not only able to make your own reviews about products that you use, but able to see everyone else's, do your own research, really kind of develop products that you know that you'll like, instead of just wasting your money and wasting your time with things you're not even sure about. After playing around with Wheesearch's website for the past couple of months, I just think it's incredible. You can really customize the products that you put or the products that you look up, you know, coverage, the different color shades and even sub-color shades, hydration level, how long lasting it is, what's the price on it. Like, you can really customize everything that you put into the website and everything you get out of it. And this right here is the fun part, and this is actually where you guys come in. I have been given an exclusive code through Wheesearch to basically allow my followers and my friends on social media to try the website out exclusively before it is launched to the public. I'm calling on all you beauty lovers out there, even the people who have been using the same products for years. I want you to put those products in. I want you to show people, like, this is why I've been using this product for 3 years and have not changed anything else. Like, I want the good, the bad, the ugly. This is my code right here. Go to Wheesearch.com, enter this code in, register yourself, start putting products in, and of course it wouldn't be exclusivity without a little prize. If you register with Wheesearch before March 4th, 2018, which is this coming Sunday when this video goes out, you'll be entered in for a prize to win a $200 Sephora gift card. Like, oh my god, like, you could buy so many amazing things with that. And really make sure to share it with all your friends on social media, and let's just get this Wheesearch party started. All things Wheesearch can be found on Wheesearch's website, including things about the contest and how you can enter your code in, how you can start up everything. I mean, look, your girl's on the cover of a website, like, we really out here. I also encourage you to check out Wheesearch's YouTube channel. I have a couple of videos that I've done on there, and some amazing vloggers that I have really gotten to know and become amazing friends with have also made a lot of really great videos. So it's a nice little, you know, test drive to what Wheesearch is all about. Well, that's my little spiel. I hope you guys are excited about Wheesearch as much as I am. Like, I really think this can be something really amazing if we can kind of get as many people involved. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments if you register with my code. I'm gonna give you a shout out for real, like you're gonna be a true one. Also, if you like what you see, feel free to subscribe, check out some more of my videos, and follow me on social media. Like, let's become friends. I hope you guys have an amazing day. I love you lots, and I will see you next time. Bye!